different style as a side dish. So one is chicken yakitori. Chicken yakitori is as a Japanese side dish, so it's very popular. So today I'm going to show you how to make. And one is beijing. It's Tibetan side dish, so it's very quickly and yummy also. So let's get started how to make. I hope you guys will try this recipe. So first we need the chicken, boneless chicken. So I didn't find the with skin. If you find the with skin, it's very nice. So what you want to do, just cut, just small cut. Don't cut all. Okay, now it's done. Set aside. Now I'm going to add cooking oil, just a little bit. Add the chicken. For 5 to 6 minutes until golden color will not come out. So its color will change, so you can cook it. Let's make the teriyaki sauce. For teriyaki sauce, it's very simple. We need soy sauce, two teaspoons soy sauce, two teaspoons sake. Sake is Japanese cooking wine. Two teaspoons miring, Japanese cooking sweet wine. And 1 teaspoon sugar. Just pinch of salt. We don't need to add too much salt because in soy sauce already have. So see how easy. So if you want to add, you can add ginger, garlic, whatever you like. So now chicken is done. Now all chicken will take off. Just remove the extra oil. And now I'm going to add sauce. And boil for low heat for 2-3 minutes. I'm going to cut into small pieces chicken. Just 5 pieces. Now I'm going to add just extra flavor. green onion, roots, no need steak sauce, so I'm going to boil a few minutes again. Now my sauce has become very stiff. See? So I'm going to remove the onion. Now add the chicken. Fry for a few minutes for low heat. Now it's almost going to be done. I'm going to add just a little bit sesame oil, just not so much, just a little bit, because sesame oil will give nice flavor. Next, I'm going to add sesame seed. Just a little bit green onion leaves. Yeah, done ready. It's done. Here my yakitori chicken is ready. Enjoy. Add the cooking oil. Here I already washed the pork choy, so if too large, then you can cut into 2 pieces. Now I'm going to add dry chili. After that, you can add the basil. Just cover and leave it for a few minutes. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Just add pinch of salt. Finally, I'm going to add garlic. I already chopped. Yeah, that's exciting. Okay guys, so if you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. So let me know how it is. Anyway, thank you for watching my video and we'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye and take care everyone. And if you have any question, please leave it in down below. Let me know.